How to unread a message on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the messages icon on the top right of your screen and then navigate to the message that you want to mark as unread. Now, swipe towards the left on your screen and you will see a blue button, which also means the mark as unread button. Tap on that, and with this, the message will be marked as unread. So, this is how you can unread a message on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.